Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Hawawshy, an Egyptian street food that everyone absolutely loves. It's made out of minced beef and sometimes lamb is added, and stuffed into Egyptian Balady bread until it's crispy as if it was deep fried. So here I start with ground beef, preferably with a higher fat content. Then I add minced onions and green bell pepper. Here I used about 5 pounds of beef, 3 medium onions, and 3 bell peppers. Then I season with salt, black pepper, and 7 spices. Then the secret ingredient is the chili garlic sauce. If you can't get your hands on it, just substitute with 2 finely minced cloves of garlic and chili pepper or cayenne pepper for some heat. Then I'll mix all that very well to get it ready to be stuffed into the bread. Traditionally, Egyptian Balady bread is used, but since it's not available in my area, I used pita bread. Open the bread halfway, then stuff it. Make sure not to overstuff or else the bread will get burned and the meat won't get fully cooked. Make sure to press on the bread to ensure even layer of meat and even cooking. If you're interested in knowing how to make a traditional Egyptian bread, I'll leave the link for the recipe in the description box. There are several ways to cook the Hawawshy, but my favorite is grilled on the outdoor grill or in a pan. Here I added a tablespoon of butter in the pan, and I put the Hawawshy on one side till it starts to take some color. I'll leave it for about 1 minute. Then I'll flip it on the other side for 1 additional minute or until it takes some color. Then I'll flip it again 1 more time. This time I'll cover it to trap some heat to ensure the meat is fully cooked. Then 1 more flip for 30 seconds and you're done. The other way is on the grill. Just make sure to brush it with some butter before it hits the grill. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share it and subscribe. Bon appétit, or as we say in Egypt, صحة وعافية.